Implementing a public-private partnership. Learning objectives. Name 4 common features of successful public-private partnerships. Identify some of the difficulties in working with multiple organizations. Describe the role of a memorandum of understanding in a public-private partnership. Every public-private partnership is unique. However, many of the successful ones share 4 common features: clarity, accountability, focus, and effective leadership. To achieve clarity, a public-private partnership often begins with a memorandum of understanding or another type of contractual agreement. This helps ensure that the partnership objectives and each partner's role and responsibilities are clear to everyone. And early on, partners must agree upon how success will be measured, monitored, and achieved to everyone's satisfaction. Like any partnership, the more entities involved, the more complex it can become. So structure is needed. A public-private partnership can be managed or coordinated by one or more of the partners, or as often the case, by a separate entity that reports to the partnership. Soon after the launch of Pink Ribbon, Red Ribbon, a public-private partnership designed to combat cervical and breast cancer in Africa and Latin America, the partnership created a managing body called a secretariat. The secretariat plays important roles in managing day-to-day activities, ensuring partner accountability, and seeing that the partnership works in a fair and transparent way. This managing body is overseen and supported by a steering committee composed of the actual partners. Like with any good relationship, open and honest communication is essential. When disagreements arise, as they invariably will, they should be quickly resolved to each partner's satisfaction. Since a major purpose of a public-private partnership is to create efficiencies for impact, early and achievable targets should be identified and reached. These early successes, in which all partners play a role, can help create a strong partnership culture that supports collective engagement and achievement. A key is to maintain focus. All partners will have other organizational objectives outside the focus of the partnership. Some partners may even work together on other joint ventures. So it's easy to get distracted by competing demands for attention, time, and resources. When this happens, resist the temptation to take on too much and maintain your focus on the objectives to which you've committed. And finally, effective and steady leaders are essential in all phases of partnership implementation. Leaders as catalysts, as conveners, as champions, and much more. Now that you've completed the course, please visit yali.state.gov to take the quiz. This will help you test your knowledge and earn credit toward a special certificate.